Okay, this is my week 15 update, race to 250K. Every single Monday I invest $1,100. Whether the market is red or green, I buy. Investing is about buying when you're uncomfortable, when the news is bad and your portfolio is red. Most people want to buy when everything feels safe. Safety does not create wealth. Consistency does. In this video, I'm going to go over my complete portfolio, what I bought with that 1100, my weekly performance, and of course my dividend income. Quick reminder on financial education. Education gives you control, control gives you options, and options is what gives you freedom. Let's get into my portfolio and see where I'm at. Okay, now that we're in the portfolio, we can see the balance is $142,344. This is the first week in 6 weeks that the portfolio is green. Let's get into each position. First is DGRO. Market value is $25,270, and this is 17.75% of my portfolio. Next, we have SCHD. Market value is $57,759, and that's 40.5% of my portfolio, which has really helped the last 6 weeks hold up the portfolio from falling. Next, we have SCHG. Market value is $14,549, which is 10.2% of my portfolio, just to add in a little growth. Next, we have SCHX. Market value is $21,871, and that is 15.3% of my portfolio. My last position is VXUS, which is international. Market value is $22,896, and that is just about 16.1% of my portfolio. Okay, let's get into my weekly buys and what dividend income came in this week. Okay, my weekly buys. DGRO, I bought 4 shares. SCHX, I bought 8 shares. SCHG, I bought 7 shares. SCHD, I bought 13 shares. And then SCHX paid a dividend, which was reinvested and bought me 2.4 shares. SCHG did the same thing. That bought 0.6 of a share. And the big one for me is SCHD paid $477, which repurchased me 15.5 shares, that's why we own it. All right, let's get into the dividend income now. Okay, now that we're in the dividend income, we could see $3,427 or $285 a month. Let's get into each position to see what it pays. DGRO pays $508. SCHD pays $1,949. SCHG pays $58. SCHX pays $245. And VXUS pays $665, which totals the $3,427. The goal by the end of 2026 is to at least get that to $6,000. All right, let's get into the weekly performance to see how it went. Okay, now that we're in the portfolio performance, we could see from March 30th to April 2nd, excluding net contributions, my portfolio has gained $2,874 this week, or it was 2.06% of a gain. Okay, that's going to do it for my week 15 update. Stay tuned for week 16. Also, remember, stay disciplined and consistent, and always invest no matter how bad the news is.